Well, one people, so a couple weeks ago I saw this, maybe like a month ago, I saw this video on the internet where this brother say him do 200 push-ups a day, and his transformation was, it looked crazy. So I thought to myself, I wanted to do that, but I wanted to do it in a simpler form, because in his video, him say after the 200 start get easy, he started to do like variations of a push-up. Never got a road. We just want to do it like a regular person who think, what if we just do 200 regular push-ups every day for 30 days? What kind of changes would I see? That's what I did. And because I was doing like just regular push-ups, nothing too out of the ordinary, or, it was just regular. This is why I only took video of the last day. Because it was the same thing for 30 days. Nothing changed, just that. Same thing for 30 days. And you might ask about the tennis ball. I use it for when I'm doing the 10 by 10 so that my chest go as close to the ground as I possibly can. And the tennis ball kind of just did a prompt me say, yeah, I'm close, yeah. So that's what I use the tennis ball for. If you don't have that, you can just make your chest go as close to the ground as you can, so not everybody can reach a certain level. This was my little card, and I mark off each day that I do. The final day, which was yesterday, I'm not marketing yet. And if you see beside it, you see like 4 times 25 and then 10 by 10. So what I would do is 25 first, so that's 25, 25, 25, 25, that's 4. And then for the second set now, I would do 10 push-ups. And I have, 10 times 10. And that would give me my 200 push-ups for the day. I usually do this in the afternoon when there's nothing else going on. And I have the time to do it. Alright, so this is how I would do it. The 25, I would just do them normal, regular speed. Tens now, I will try to go as slow as I can. That's it, that's all I did. So the 25s, normal regular speed, take a little break. For the 10s, do just 10, as slow as I can. Take a little break. Body ready to go back in, go in again, do 10. And that's just how I did it. In terms of the changes, like I see that my body feels different. And in terms of like my chest muscle, when I do this, I don't know if you're not hear it, but listen, tough, hard. There's not a great deal of like muscle, but the pictures will show you like there's some changes here and there, and I'm proud of that. One of the things that went wrong with this was the day when I took the picture, the before picture. I don't know, for some reason I end up deleting the before picture. Before picture that you're seeing of the front is maybe like 2 weeks in. Personally, looking at the front, like I don't see much difference, but I guess there is. But from the side, I can see like a difference. shirt, but like this right there, so the muscle here, it tough, it hard. Like I'm making it tough right now. I don't know if I can see it, but like look, this right there, so let me kind of show you. You see the difference, like it. I don't know if I can see it good. You know what I mean? Get like a little bit wider right there, so you know me have the side ups them are coming in. You know, side ups them call me. I don't know what you call them, brother. What do you call them? But yeah. You see me a flex on them thing there. But this is one of the major changes when we see. And mostly just get different, brother. This look weird. Come on now, bro. What are you doing? So for the average person out there who just want to do some regular push-ups and do 200 push-ups per day, and it's just regular, you know, do nothing like too crazy, you can do it. I'm proud of myself for being dedicated to it, sticking to the plan, and yesterday I completed it. I'll go back to my normal workout routine now, because I guess now I can just maintain. This wasn't about building muscle, it was just to see if I would really stick to the task and what changes would I see just doing like a regular push-up 200 per day for 30 days. What changes would I see? And I am proud of the results. So if you want, you can try it. Yeah man, do your thing. But I feel like you need to do everybody else. The most important thing is just to be dedicated to it and be consistent. That is it. Take your time and work towards your goal. Don't follow what other people are doing. Just set your plan, stick to your plan, and watch the result then what you get. I mark it off 4 times 25, 10 times 10. Boom. 200 push-ups for 30 days. One thing, gonna see no difference? I know, if you just shut me mouth. Yeah, big up on yourselves still, you see me? Yeah man, think it, believe it, live to achieve it. I look like the summer body load up, you see me?